Hello friends, today we are learn about the top agriculture course after the 12th. What to do after the 12th? The students you have to able to and the understand of the different courses like agriculture courses. In this video we are learn the agriculture courses. Okay, then we are continue from the agriculture courses. Get ready. Okay, here in this slide you can see the introduction. What is introduction? Means the introduction is the type of agriculture depend the essential role. The role a career in a career in agriculture plays as an essential role in the Indian economy. What is the Indian economy? In the Indian economy, you got the number of agriculture sectors, and in that agriculture sectors, you have to learn a different courses. Students from all over country are selecting the agriculture field for their career prospects, as it is an excellent source of most significant job and industry across the country. All over industries related to the Indian economy agriculture. In agriculture, the most profitable and most Indian economic growth for the industries. There are number of jobs related to the private sector and the government sector. But what to do after the 12 in agriculture jobs? You need to undergo the particular agriculture course available in the market. There are number of courses available in a market. You got the 50 to 45 to 50 aggregate percentage or the 60 percentage aggregate in a 12th science. You know all of you, the 12th science is must in a agriculture sector. The courses are significantly for pursuing the quality bar to meet the requirement of India agriculture education system. In the India agriculture education system, you meet the requirement. What is the requirement? There are number of courses available in a market, in a public sector or the private sector. But the agriculture courses, you have to pursuing the quality, pushing the quality. What is mean by quality? The quality is the great efforts or the helpful job to the agriculture courses. Okay, you go through the next slide. You can see this. In this slide, you see the bachelor degree course. What is the bachelor degree course? You after the 12th, you go through select the bachelor degree courses in agriculture sectors. In a bachelor degree courses are usually 3 to 4 year long courses. 3 to 4 year, that means there are 3 year or the 4 year long bachelor courses, and that bachelor courses is eligible criteria for 10 plus 2. 10 means the 10th and after 2 means the 12th science is the stream with the minimum qualification. You got the minimum qualification after the 12th, you go through the bachelor degree courses in agriculture sector. Individual institutes might have a different eligible criteria. Yes, in India there are different institutes. Number of institutes you have to maintain your eligible criteria, and that have a different eligible criteria to regarding their cutoff marks. Here the list of the courses related to the bachelor degree. In this slide you can see the number of bachelor courses, like a first one BSc in agriculture, second one BSc in horticulture, BSc in plant pathology, BSc in food science, BSc in dairy science, BSc in plant science, BSc in Agriculture Biotechnology. 8 point BSc in Fisher Science, BSc in Forestry, BSc in Biotech Agriculture and Food Engineering, BSc or BE-BTech means the Bachelor of Engineering in Agriculture Information Technology. Also, you go through the courses of BE or the BTech Agriculture Engineering. This course is available in the engineering sector also. The BE and BTech Agriculture in Engineering. This is also engineering sector is available. BE or BTech is the dairy technology. This is also available in engineering technology. In a point number 5th, BE, BTech, agriculture or the dairy technology. This number of the technologies or the number of the courses available in agriculture sector. But you first clear the after 12. After the 12 you go through the select any one course. You selected of any one course for the bachelor courses to pursue the BSc Agriculture courses or BE BTech Engineering courses in agriculture sector. Okay. In this slide also in a diploma courses you directly go through the after 12 diploma courses. In a diploma short term course generally 1 to 3 years, that is the 3 years courses. You can focus on the training. First 2 years is the syllabus covering or the course structure, and after 1 years you can focus on the your training. That is must you have to recognize educational institute, each and every institute to got the knowledge of training, and that trainer you have to train or teach you for last year. This is the courses generally in a diploma courses, and this diploma courses it undergoes the number of courses. This is the diploma list of the courses. Some of the diploma courses you can pursue here: diploma of agriculture, diploma of horticulture, diploma of food processing, diploma in dairy technology, diploma in food processing. This number of the courses it undergoes diploma courses. Here certificate course. In a certification courses are generally focused to the students what are not able to avail the degree programs. Those students you have to not avail the degree program as well as diploma program. Directly you go through the certified courses. Means after a 12th you directly go through the certified courses. In a courses that are 1 to 2 years courses or the 6 month or 1 year courses. Likewise certification course in organic farming, certification course or program in a dairy and agriculture, certification course in horticulture, certificate course in a food production. This course is undergoes, the certificate courses are generally for the students. The students you have able to or understand the course depending upon the typically educations, not it avail for the degree program, also diploma program. This is avoiding for the both the courses, and you got the get the admission directly certified courses, and these courses it undergoes 1 month course, 6 month course or the 1 year course. This is the eligibility criteria after the 12th year. Here is first point, BSc Agriculture course. In this course, it is a 4-year undergraduate degree. 4-year undergraduate degree you can able to, or it is a part of agri course, or after a 12th science the student must hold the 12 marks. Yes, this is most important. After the 12th science you pass their 12th, get the mark sheet of list within a 505 means 505 marks you have to eligible for BSc Agriculture course in a year of 4th year undergraduate degree course. Agriculture syllabus, yes, syllabus is also including here. Include the syllabus such as the agronomy. What is the agronomy? In a agriculture field, BSc Agriculture course, you can go through the agronomy, plant biochemistry, water management engineering, study of pests and crop, amongst many others. This is the information of BSc Agriculture course. In agriculture course, there are 4-year undergraduate degree course. You got the 12th mark sheet. After that, your count 4 years undergraduate degree course, and it is the marks science in a stream at least BSc at least with a 505 marks. You got that. After completing the course, means BSc Agriculture course you have to complete, the student can search for a job. After you completing of the BSc at least 505 marks, your the marks is the 505. Then after that you have to eligible in many university or the colleges, you have to provided searching a job through the placement. Which placement? Placement is the private sector and the government sector. The university you have to provide that get the admission eligible students or that courses easily to knowing of the students. Okay. Okay. In this slide, you can see the course detail during a BSc Agriculture. In agriculture, there are 4-year course. Eligibility criteria is the admission will be based on a entrance exam. Which entrance exam? Entrance exam of that colleges or the India country you have to get the all Maharashtra entrance test, that is the JEE or the main exam. And job profile, you go through the agriculture research scientist, agriculture officer, assistant plantation manager, agriculture development officer, agriculturist, marketing executive. That number of the job profiles after the BSc Agriculture, and you got the salary expectation salary for starting 20,000 to 40,000. This is the details of BSc Agriculture. Okay. In this slide, you can learn about the Bachelor of Science BSc Honours degree in Agriculture. BSc Agriculture course is complete in last 3 years. There are 3 years and application must be secure passing the marks of the admission process. Yes, you got the applications, and BSc Agriculture graduate students, you got the agriculture, fill the application form and take the admission for particular institutes. There are different number of institutes in India. There are number of states is the providing the agriculture admissions. The agriculture BSc Agriculture graduates can find the job both the public sector. Public means government sector and the private means the privates is the private sector. In this field you have to get the job profile for agriculture office, assistant plantation manager, agriculture research scientist, agriculture development officer, agriculture technician, agriculturist, business development executive, marketing executive. This number of the Bachelor of Science BSc honors in agriculture, you find out the job in a different field. This is the field you have to get the job or your job profile with is the posting of all over India after the BSc Agriculture is completing. Here the course detail. The duration of the Science BSc Honours in Agriculture. There are 4 years course. Eligibility criteria means the criteria you have to eligible. The aspirant needs. Aspirants means the required needs and standard of the 12th marks. You required 12th marks passing 50 percentage, minimum 50 percentage of the science and the reputable higher secondary education board. You have to got that the eligibility criteria. The admission procedure, it will be based on the entrance exam. Yes, admission will be based on entrance examination. And the job profile, this is the job profile is also same: assistant plantation manager, agriculture development officer, agriculture officer, agriculturist, marketing executive, agriculture technicians. This is similar for the BSc Agri or the BSc owner degree course, and that is the similar for this course, but the job profile and the admission procedure is similar based on the entrance examination. You go through the detail of the course. Okay. The third point, BSc Horticulture in Science. What is the horticulture? In a Bachelor of Science. In a Bachelor of Science BSc. What is the horticulture? Horticulture is the agriculture part of duration. This is the 3 years duration, and it is a course that will help one land jobs. Government sector as well as government or the private sector, there are number of jobs in outside of the Maharashtra. The students must pass 12th is this subject, physics, chemistry and biology subjects. After completing this course, after completing means you can complete the BSc agriculture or BSc horticulture course. This is the horticulture course. You complete on that course, you get the good salary, good package on the your job profile. You go through the job sector or the course details. This is the expected of the horticulture. Duration of BSc Horticulture Science. This is the 3 years in the course. Eligibility criteria, student must require intermediate with 45 percentage marks. Admission procedure, admission will be done. Means admission process, admission will be done based on the entrance exam. Yes, this is also similar for last two courses. The entrance examination, each and every course entrance examination is must, and the counseling procedure, the procedure is must for the entrance examination. After the student sees the eligible criteria for 45 percentage marks and horticulture science, you go through the duration of this course. This is the 3 years, but expectation salary, this is the lot of interesting. This is the expectation salary 2 to 6 lakhs. After the 3 years you got the job in a public sector or the private sector, and you have expected salary starting from 2 lakh to 6 lakhs. This is the BSc in forestry. Forestry, you BSc Bachelor of Science in a forestry. These subjects completely in 4 years. Means this course is complete 4-year course, and this is the agriculture program is divided into 8 semester. Divided into 8 semester means each and every year there are 2 semesters. Semester 1 starting from the June to December, and the another January to May. There are 2 semester each year. It goes to total 8 semester in a 4 year. It is undergraduate level. Undergraduate means the BSc Bachelor of Science is the undergraduate level. And applicant should pass out 12th classes from reputed authority. Yes, you also 12th classes in a reputed authority or the reputed college or the school, you have to pass out on there. After the amount of the course, this course is the amount 5 lakhs to 3 lakhs. This is the fees of forestry. According to the criteria, admission candidate for 50 percentage marks at the graduation level. Yes, aggregate score of the candidate you take an admission of forestry each and every semester. Aggregate marks is the 50 percentage marks in a graduation level, and the course amount or the course fee is the 5,000 to 3 lakhs. This is the course detail. This course duration of the BSc in forestry. This course is the fourth year duration, means 4 years. Eligibility criteria, it requires minimum 50 percentage marks in intermediate level, means your level is the 12th standard level. 50 percentage or the 60 percentage marks is you get the admission for forestry. And the admission procedure, here the admission procedure, after the admission you take a entrance examination and the counseling round. There are two rounds, is the counseling and the entrance examination is also must. BSc Agronomy. In a BSc Bachelor of Science Agronomy, in this course, here 4-year course, this is also program is spread over 8 semester. Yes, you know the what is 8 semester, means the total 4 years. Each and every year there are 2 semester, and in a 6 months, means there are the 6 months for first semester and after 6 months for second semester. Applicants must pass 12 classes with the science stream. The range of the amount is approximately, yes, you can, this is the range of approximately of this course, 20,000 to 2 lakhs. This is the fee of BSc Agronomy, starting from 20,000 and the 2 lakhs is the end. And in India, so many industries. In India, means our country is so many industries or the institutes is offering this agronomy course, and those you are interested, you can applicable for the entrance examination along with the counseling part. This is also similar for the forestry, BSc forestry course. BTech horticulture. This course is the 4-year course. Candidates should hold their higher education's certificate with passing marks. Student get the admission after the counseling process. If the admission counseling process is done, after that you pay the fee of that course is the horticulture BTech, means Bachelor of Technology. In a Bachelor of Technology in a horticulture, and that is the fee of this course 67,000 to 1,05,000. This is the fee of horticulture Bachelor of Technology. The Bachelor of Technology in Horticulture, this course is the 4-year course. The minimum marks is also 15 percentage marks in a 12th standard and recognized education board. You know, your board is the Maharashtra State Board or the any CBSE board or any another board. These two boards, CBSE board, ICSE board or the state board, that is the must of you have to eligible for the taken admission in a Bachelor of Technology. Here students can improve the productivity, employment generation, enhancing the export, providing the nutritional security to the people, improving the economic conditions of farmers and the entrepreneurs. These are through these courses you learn about the, after you take a admission on this course, the students will able to what is the productivity, what is empowerment generation, enhancing exports, that is the knowledge is most important for the what is the nutrition, which type of the crop is most important in body health or the animal's health, that type of the economics, improving the economics conditions of the farmer and the entrepreneurship, means the business you have to take on that horticulture Bachelor of Technology. It undergoes, this course is most important or the most knowledgeable in the students. Course details, duration of the BTech in horticulture, there are 4 years in this course, duration of total 4 years. Eligibility criteria, these students need 505 marks. This is the 50, this is the standard marks of the Bachelor of Technology. In a 12th standard you got the 505 marks, and admission procedure will take a selected candidate, you students will be selected after the entrance examination and counseling round is must. Entrance examination, JEE main, GATE, IIT or JEE. This is the main exam, JEE main exam. All students, you know that after the 12th standard is finished, your 12th standard is completed. After that, you take a main examination, fill the form of JEE main exam and take a admission for all over country in a agriculture field. Okay. Okay, in this, okay, you can see this BSc Fisheries. Fishery means the fish, this type of the agriculture field. Bachelor of Science in a fish or fisheries. Agriculture course will be completed in 4 years. This semester is divided in 8 sections. Applicants must hold higher education with 50% marks. And the average amount of this course is the 10,000 to 3 lakh. This is the fees of fisheries course, and the total 8 sections meet the total 8 semester in a 4 years. It undergoes, there are 4 years, total 8 semesters. And job opportunity of the students: fish farming consultant, store manager, aquaculture technicians, fisheries development officer, this type of the post after the completion of this course. Agriculture course after the 12th arts means the those students you have to choice for art side. There is no choice of the agriculture field, because here mention no, you are not eligible, because this field is related to only 12th science students. Eligible of agriculture course after the 12th arts and no agriculture course. Okay, after art students are agriculture, mainly agriculture course is not eligible for art students, deals with only science, but you can apply for the diploma course in agriculture sector. Those students you have to, not 12th science students, you can eligible for diploma course in agriculture, not a agriculture BSc agriculture course. Okay, you can eligible for diploma courses in agriculture sector. Those students you have to choices your art sides or the commerce side. You can choose your or apply the diploma courses in agriculture sector. This is the courses related to the agriculture. First course, you learn for the previous sessions, Bachelor of Science, Agriculture, 4-year duration. This is the course type, means the duration of the graduation. Duration is the 4 years, course type graduation, and this is here the mention the fee. 35,000 to 75,000 is the fee of BSc Science in Agriculture, BSc Science in Honor Agriculture, 3 years course, graduation 35,000 to 80,000. This is the fee. Then next one, the BSc Bachelor of Science Horticulture, and that is the 3 years course, graduation 26,000 to 78,000 is the fee. The Forestry Bachelor of Science in Forestry, take the course of the duration is the 4 years. Course type is the graduation, and after the year, each and every year, this is the fee 30,000 to 78,000. For the each and every year you pay the 30,000 to 78,000. Then next, diploma in agriculture. This course is 2 years. Those students you have to choose your field in arts or commerce. You go through also diploma in agriculture, 2 years. Diploma 25,000 to 56,000 fee. Certificate courses. Yes, all of you know, for the slide number 2 or 3, there the certificate courses: food production, beverage service, fisheries, agronomy, horticulture. What is the certificate course? This certificate course is the duration of 1 year certification and get the fee of 32,000 or to 65,000. And after the food or the beverage service, 1 year course, this is the certified course, and get the fee for that. Fee is 27,000 to 67,000. Then next, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. The duration of this course is 4 years. Graduation, this is the 32,000 to 68,000. This is the fee of that course. The course is agronomy 4-year graduation course, and the fees of this course is the 39,000 to 78,000. And the Bachelor of Technology, this is a horticulture. This course is graduation course, and the here fee is mentioned 36,000 to 80,000. Okay, in this slide you are learn about the number of agriculture courses. This is listed out. You go through that and you select one course, and the details of this course I will also give. You will also get the certified course in diploma course or the certified course in a food production. You also search on that. But the I profitable or the I interested number of the students, you can interest on each and every field the selected course or your choices. Here the certified courses. Certified course in agriculture, the certified course in organic farming, certified course in dairy and agriculture, certification course in horticulture, certification course in food production. That number of courses is available in agriculture sector. Okay. Here the certificate course in a food production. Which type of the food you get the knowledge. This course complete is 1 year course, and the agriculture science or the technology food production, and that is minimum one for first 6 months. Here are maximum 5 subject, and that subject is the also English language, and the English subject is also compulsory. And after that the students carry their 12 mark sheets according to the eligibility criteria, take admission through the entrance examination. If the entrance examination is passed, then you are eligible for the different universities in our country. The range of the amount, this is the approximately fee of 30,000 to 50,000, and the student can pursue their career in a production manager, food production manager, food production. This is the post of after your course is completed, then you are eligible for the posting of the food production department, also public sector or the private sector. Certificate course in a food or the beverage service means the 6-month course. One is the 12 students. After getting 55 percentage marks, then get the certificate. You eligible for certified course food and beverage service. For taking a admission, student has attend to the entrance test. Yes, this is most important. You are eligible for the entrance test. Get a 55 marks in 12th standard, then you are eligible for the entrance test. Once you are entrance, every college has taken own eligibility criteria. Each and every institute to take, you will choose the institute and take their admission. First you get the admission process, clear the entrance examination and pay the fee. This is the fee structure. For the total course amount is the 15k, means the 15,000 to 60k. 15,000 to 16,000. After completing this course, you get the job or opportunity in a food or beverage service like a public sector or private sector, means a government sector or the private sector, like a such type of the job: chief, head cooks, food service manager, waiters, waitresses, beverage manager. This type of the hotel management subjects related to the hotel management subjects and hotel management jobs related to the food business. Okay, all of you got it, the number of courses here, and you Eligibility criteria, durations, and the admission taken after the entrance examination. There, the entrance examination in India. This is the top level institutes or the some popular entrance examination in India. This is the AgriSET, means the AgriCET, AP, engineering, agriculture in medical common entrance test, CGP entrance, PAT exam, CAM FFU admission exam, university GB PANT, university admission, GB PAUAT. This is the short form and here the long form, means the full form you have to get the number of entrance examination. In horticulture university, this is the common entrance exam, Horti CET. Indira Gandhi Agriculture University, that is the CET exam. Jharkhand combined entrance competitive exams. Karnataka common entrance test, KCET exam. Kerala Engineering Architecture Medical KEM entrance exam, MACE common, MCAER common entrance test CET exam, MP Madhya Pradesh Pre Agriculture Test PAT exam, UAET Odisha UAET exam, Punjab Agriculture University, Rajasthan Joint Entrance Test JET, Punjab Agriculture University PAU entrance exam, Rajasthan Joint Entrance Test JET exam, Srikonda Lakshman Telangana State Horticulture University, TS Engineering Agriculture and Medical Common Entrance Test TSCAM CET, Uttar Pradesh Combined Agriculture Technology Entrance Test UPCAT, Uttar Pradesh State Entrance Exam, UPCCE exam. This number of the state here, the number of states with its short form, also long form you have to created on the particular states. You go through that test, entrance examination for each and every state. This is the all over India entrance test for the agriculture field. Okay. Here the scope of agriculture fee after the 12th. Agriculture course after the 12th. Study in the field agriculture is very dynamic branch. Dynamics you have to commonly for the agriculture, but no one go through the agriculture or the agriculture field because the India population, huge population. It is India huge population and the number of students you have to dependent on the agriculture. India is well known as spices varieties all over world. You go through that, take a particular agriculture field and its application base and number of jobs is related to the agriculture field. After completing the education in the students get the various jobs and the opportunity. There are number of jobs. The students learn the necessary skill, knowledge required in the field of horticulture, plant pathology, food science, dairy science, plant science, agriculture, biotechnology, fisheries science, forestry. This number of the job opportunity after completing the BSc, Bachelor of Science Agriculture, Bachelor of Science Horticulture, Bachelor of Science Fishery, Bachelor of Science Biotechnology and Bachelor of Science Food Business. That type of the courses you can complete it, then get the jobs and the placement is number of institutes. The students after completing their the education in this field, they develop an important skill or knowledge required to various career. What is means? The students after complete, you will complete of that course, you get the knowledge and the skill of your agriculture field. The agriculture engineer, nursery forest, horticulture, florist, horticulture, food scientist, food critics, wildlife, bio logist, farm manager, water and waste water engineer, environmental engineer, water resource specialist. This type of the career options you choose after the BSc Agriculture and the BSc Horticulture. These types of the jobs or the post you will be required on the agriculture field. This is the scope or the in India the most profitable business in the food business or the agriculture field. But get the knowledge or the skill what to do, then you get the perfect. Okay. This is the FAQ, means the frequently asked questions. That type of the questions, how many years you get the courses or the duration of this type of the courses, and the courses after the 12th. Duration of the agriculture course, this is the 12th. Science is depends in a BSc, bachelor or the graduation, and those students is chooses of arts or commerce, you directly go through the eligible for diploma. This is the diploma agriculture course. Here the number of courses and here the duration. In a diploma there are 1 to 2 years, but the UG course means the BSc Agri, BSc Horticulture, BSc Fishery, BSc Forestry, BSc Agronomy, that number of the courses, that is the 3 to 4 year courses of the UG courses. Or the PG courses means the postgraduate courses. UG means undergraduate, means undergraduate, PG means postgraduate. After the your UG undergraduate is complete, you go through the PG course, postgraduate course. This course is also 2 years. Get the maximum certification course. This is the 6 months to 1 year course, and that type of the courses with its duration, you go through that number of courses in a particular things, and all of you get the job. I will hope to all of you get the job in agriculture field, also forestry or the fisheries, that type of the courses. In after the 12th year, you go through the career on agriculture field. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. And next time I will do more and more things.